Assalamu alaikum and good morning to you all, my dear students. I hope you all are doing really well at home and staying safe as well. So, this is me, your teacher, Miss Jaziba Khurram from the Smart School, Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan Johar campus. In today's recorded session is of mathematics. Yes, this is your mathematics recorded session in which we are going to discuss about our chapter division. In previous recorded video we discussed that what work we have covered of our textbook of chapter division. Now in this recorded session we are going to discuss and review a little worksheet pages of chapter division that you have covered up till now. So let's just move to the page and discuss about it more. So, chapter division workbook pages review 29 till 32. So for that I want you all to take out your maths workbook. उसके लिए आप सब अपने maths workbook निकालो and be prepared with your pencil, eraser, each and everything. And before that, one quick review for you all and a quick reminder for you all as well that in these chapters like division and multiplication we cannot solve any question without proper table learning, right? So for that you all need to be very good in this table learning thing. And whenever I will try to have a mental math session in class, and randomly I will pick anyone to just ask that just tell me that what if we will multiply this number with that, so what we will get. So for that I want you all of you to be very vigilant and be very good in this table learning thing. ठीक है? So open your workbook page 29. I know that most of you have already done this page, but just for my um, easiness and for yours as well, we are going to have a quick review of this worksheet pages of page number worksheet 21, 22, and 23, which are from page number 29 till page number 32. So starting off with the first worksheet chapter is worksheet 21, which is on your page number 29. So starting off with 24 divided by 6, as you can see on the screen that answers have already been mentioned. Is why? Because you have already done this in your books. This is just for a quick review. Why we have written 4 over there is because when we will multiply 6 till 4 times, जब हम 6 को 4 times multiply करेंगे, so we will get the answer 24. जब हमने 6 4s are करा, so we get the answer 24. Similarly, on the second one, you can see that 48 is divided by 6 is equals to 8. And why 8? Because when we multiply 6 with 8 times, जब हमने 6 को 8 times multiply करा, so we got the answer 48. So this is how this exercise will be solved. Moving on to the next one beneath it, fill in the numbers, then match the following numbers. Simply simple, all you have to do is we just have to fill in the numbers and we have to match it with the following numbers which is already given to us. The first one is 54 divided by 6 is equals to 9. So we multiplied 6 9 times, so we got the answer 54. If you can do that, you can just आप अपने साथ अपने टेबल्स आप लोग लिखो डेली. यू विल लर्न द टेबल्स एंड अगर आप टेबल लर्न करोगे तो यू विल बी वेरी गुड इन दिस डिवीजन सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर जैसे हमने यहाँ पे 54 डिवाइडेड बाई 6 करा है, सो फर्स्ट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, वी विल जस्ट क्विकली रिमाइंड द टेबल ऑफ 6 लाइक दिस. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54. Yes, so 54 does come in table of 6 with the 9 times, so we got the answer. So jab bhi you will do this question again, you will wholly remind and learn, revise the table again like that, just like I have did before. ठीक है, so after doing that we can see that 8, 9 and 7, so the 9 was a number here, we match it with 9. Again 64 divided by 8, 8 8s are 16 64 होते हैं, so we did 8 and 8 से हमने उसको मैच कर दिया. Then 49 divided by 7, 7 को 7 times multiply करो तो 49 आंसर आता है, so we match it with the 7 column. Alright, then after that you will open your page just to have a quick review of it as well. This has already been half solved. Why half solved? Just to make sure that you are making the good use of your working column. ठीक है, वर्किंग कॉलम को प्रॉपर तरीके से यू हैव टू यूज़. यू कैन सी दैट 250 को जब हमने 5 से डिवाइड करा तो वी गॉट द आंसर 50. कैसे? इट्स अ 2 डिजिट मल्टीप्लीकेशन. नाउ इन 2 डिजिट मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज नॉट दैट ईजी टू डू. सो व्हाट वी डिड दैट, हमने जो 250 था हमने उसको अंदर लिखा ब्रैकेट के डिवीजन साइन के अंदर, एंड 5 को वी रोट इट आउटसाइड ऑफ इट. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट 5 5s are 25, minus sign over here in case if we have to minus the numbers. You can see that 2 zeros are 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 5 0, so no number come over here, and 0 को we will copy as it is over here. Then we did 5 zeros are 0. जब हमने इसको कैंसिल करा तो it means no number is remained over here, there is no remainder, and the quotient of this number is 50, so we will write quotient on the quotient level. यहाँ पे हमने जिसको हमें आंसर मिला was the quotient of it, so we did write it over here. Means जब हमने divided and divisor को divide करा, so we got the quotient of 50. Again on this next one, B1 480 divided by 8, we make the proper 480 को हमने division sign के अंदर भी wrote it, and then we wrote 8 out on the outside, बाहर की side पे. Then we did the measure we did revise the table of 8, and when we learned that 8 6 are 48 होते हैं. Then again minus sign, no number is left over here, again we will copy 0 here. 8 zeros are 0. See, this one is very easy. Why? Because you can there are just only with the 0 ones, and zeros जब आखिर में आते हैं तो division is very simple in that there is no remainder over here. Again 6 is divided by 100. 6 divided by 6 100, so 600 100s are 600. It was simple enough. 750 with 7, this one is also easy. How that 50 5 tens are 50 होते हैं, it's very simple. 5 tens are 50, and this one 350 divided by 7, 7 5s are 35, and 7 zeros are 0. You can do this mentally as well, but it will be good if you will use the working column और उसको इस तरीके से solve करेंगे, so it will be very much easy for you. This the E part was easy. जिसमें just 7 7s are करना था, means 7 7s are 49. This one digit is also easy, that 5 को 10 times multiply करते हैं तो 50 आंसर आता है. So this page is quite easy. I have solved till H, and you will use the working column over here properly till the part R. You will use all of the part के लिए you will use the working column, right? Moving on to the next 31, page number 31 में that find the quotient and remainder. Write R for remainder and Q for quotient. हमें अब क्या करना है? We have to find the remainder. Remainder वो होता है जो number at the last, that's the remains, जो रह जाता है, that is known as remainder, and the number which we are dividing the number with to another number with is the quotient. Means हमें final answer क्या मिल रहा है. So first one was easy. 81, 9 9s are 81, and it was 0. ठीक है, 0 तो no number was remained, only digit 0 was remaining. So what we did, we just wrote 0 at the R part and 9 with the question part. So this is how we are going to solve this one. Now I will make you see the second one with the 2 digit now up how 2 steps. This is also easy, that 560 was written over here and 5 ones are 5 key. A minus sign is very important to put over here just to make sure that if the number is being divided multiply, you will learn it further, that how we are going to use this one. 60 as it is, copy down, then 5 12s are 60, 0. You can do it like that, थोड़ी और लंबी भी कर सकते, that 5 ones are 5, 1 remaining 0, and then 5 2s are 10, but I did just 5 12s are 60 and 0 is remaining. And क्वेश्चन जो ऊपर नंबर आएगा that is 112 is your final answer. ठीक है. Now this is also explained. Let me explain you with the remainder, जिसमें remainder actually बच रहा है. 742 and 44 is divided by 7. जब हम 44 को 7 से divide करेंगे, what answer we will get is 7 6 are 42 होते हैं. अब you can see that minus sign is usable here, that 4 minus 4 is 0 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So the remainder, this number is remainder, means finally 2 is the remainder here and 6 is the quotient. Again, this one is easy with one step only, that 15 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14 होते हैं. Minus sign over here, 5 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 4 is 1. So the answer is remainder is 1 and 2 will be copied on here as it is. So page number 31 and page number 32 are pretty similar, means worksheet 23 is continued till the end. So I want you all to complete your work accordingly, and I know most of you have already done this work, but still it was a quick review for you all just to make sure that you have got it enough. Inshallah, we will discuss this in our live as well. Hope you all are doing really well. Hope you understood this through this recorded video. We will further discuss it in our live sessions as well. Till then, I'm signing off. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.